G'day guys, my name is Bruce Garrett and this is the video series How to Shoot Video for Your Business. Today we're doing a quick tip on photography. Roll the bumper! G'day guys, today I want to do a short video on why I would select one photo over another. So for background, I worked with Danae and Kimberly to shoot a series of around 200 photos for their new project. These ladies were setting up a new fitness app, and so wanted a series of photos to really help promote and be on the platform itself. And today I thought it would be interesting to just look at two of those photos and talk about why I selected one over the other. So first, let's show you the two photos that I want to talk about. Here's number one, and in my best optician voice, here's number two. So which do you prefer, number one or number two? Now let's put them up side by side and compare. For me, the second shot was the better shot, and it's purely on one thing. It's Danae's eyes that really change between the two photos. In the second photo, she's actually smiling with her eyes. I think when we're shooting photography, we often look for the big happy smile. But as a human, we can very easily tell the difference between a normal smile and a faked smile. And that, I believe, actually happens through the eyes. That is my top tip today on photography with smiles. Sometimes the smile itself is not necessarily in the mouth, it is more in the eyes. So if you're shooting, then actually look for the eyes to be telling you that. And if you've got a series of photos, then look through and look for the best one, not only in the smile itself, but the face. Does it actually look happy and smiley to you? So there you go, that's my quick tip on how to pick out a good smile in photos. As ever, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Happy to have a discussion down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Beard out. I wonder if that was a fake smile at the end. That one's not.